I did not realise before, but it is possible to move a loop cut after you've created it, or indeed a set of loop cuts. So it needs to be in edit mode, needs to be in edge select. Let's pick this one here. The magic combination is Shift and Alt and a left click. And having done that, there are two ways to move it. Either, as with all things, either do a G and a Z and drag it down like that, rolling the mouse down, or you can use the gizmo and just pick it up like that there. So that's another way, and you can move a set of them at the same time. Shift Alt left click, and left click. I'm holding down Shift and Alt all this time. And now, can I drag the whole set with the gizmo? Yeah, I can. And yeah, did not know I could do that. I learned stuff.